Hi guys, my name is Alex. Welcome. If you're new here, welcome. Been here before, welcome back. I know I said welcome 3 times, but I'm at this point, I really don't care. But I'm happy that you're joining this video and everything else. So today's video, I am actually working with Spectrum again. This is the whole palette I'm working with this whole entire week. Well, almost all week. you know. But I decided to play with the Sapphire one along with this one. They're both from Profusion, and Profusion, as you know, if you watch my channel for quite some time, you're beginning to realize I love Spectrum. I'm getting really addicted to their palettes. I love them. I love everything about them. So I really don't know what I'm coming up with this. I'm definitely something, I don't know. I'm thinking I'll play with some of the darker colors, or I don't know, tell the truth. But I decided, let's see what I can come up with these two palettes, even though one is more of a blue palette and this one is more of a rainbow one. But, yes, so we're going to do one eye, and then maybe that's all what I'm going to do. I don't know. But I hope you like my contour today. Kind of use a different brush. I actually like this brush as my contour. It actually is a large angle contour brush. 30F. This is in Farrah. I really like this brush. So it's really soft. I got this from Etsy, but it is an indie brand. As you can tell, my eyebrows may look the same, may look different. I don't know, but you know, eyebrows are eyebrows, and they're not always fun to play with. So we're definitely going to work with these colors. I don't even know what I'm coming up with, but I just realized Bermuda's in both of these palettes. That's funny. But it's so funny that these are a little bit, I did not realize that. So we're going to do some eyeshadow primer. I did put some stuff on my eye, as in thing with a foundation or concealer, and I don't know. Concealer in my eye doesn't do really good. I guess my eyes are a little bit oily, but I like to have an eyeshadow primer on my eye because it doesn't give me that creasing. And usually with primers I don't have creases, like Milani and the Hard Candy one, and the WetnwWild. I do like the WetnwWild eyeshadow primer, but sometimes I like to. Okay. So I am going to apply more of the browns, I believe, and a little bit of the reds. But I noticed I haven't played with the yellows, or the green. Well, I have mostly, but something I just want to work with the browns and the reds today, and let's see what kind of look we get. So yeah, brown. It's more of a neutral brown, but I figured, yeah, this is more of a neutral brown, and that, and I do like the shadows, but yeah, I'm gonna put this in the crease. Let me see. Just don't need a whole bunch, because this is basically the first shadow we're going to end up doing. I thought my eyelashes are a little bit different than the other ones. Oh, it's funny. One size longer than the other. It's okay. I like to use more of like these kind of brushes when it comes to the creases. It does give me more of a soft finish if I'm doing like a denser, darker brush. Usually if you want to go with like more the pigment and the pack of the pigment, you want to use a denser brush. If you want a soft look, just use a blending brush and it would do your job for you. See, it's like more pink, but it's pink. It's like a red, but not pink. I don't know. Sort of. But this brown will make it more like a or just deepen that some of that corner. I don't do cut creases as much, but I might do a cut crease. Just I don't know what kind of cut crease yet. But one thing I want to do is just see, it's a little bit red. No, sorry if the light is a little bit off. It's just because sun is kind of up. I do have my light, but we'll see. I will fix that. It kind of looks totally different on camera, but in person it's a little bit like a more of like a brick red color, like a brownish brick red. I don't know. It's definitely a warm color. But yeah, we're gonna put it right here in this. And like this, when I packed it on like that, dip, and then I'd go like this, especially for the crease. I'm just thinking it's just how I did my face, so it's okay. I did put foundation underneath the thing, so now I know not to do that. See, people do make mistakes, even when a pretty color, even though you can't really see it. It's really a white pigment with blue reflexes, but to me that's really cute, especially with the look we're having. And we're just going to lightly pack it. And this is like really soft pigment, so. And this Shadow Blue has some fallout just because it is definitely a shimmer, glittery shimmer color. And you put some blues on top of these blues, awesome. So I will probably do a little look like that. Now we are going to bring that some up here, a little bit to find that little part, and it's so cute. So I would finish this up, and I'll be right back with this. So this is the finished look. I actually like this look, how it came about. I gotta work on the cut crease, but you know what? It's gonna have to do right now. All the products will be linked down below, of course. But yeah, I have like something in my eye right now. It's like really bothering me, but it's not too bad. It doesn't bother me. But I really do like this look. Like really, I really don't play with these colors like really together. Like, as in, it was something out of my comfort zone actually, which I'm very proud of being out of my comfort zone with these kind of looks. so we'll probably go with the red, but you know what, I like it, I like it. But yes, so if you do like this video and also like this look, don't forget to put the thumbs up it. If you want to be part of the Makeup Addict family, because I do like my family to be grow, like my family to be big, I love it. We hit 100 subscribers. Well, now 101. Exactly. But thank you for everyone who's subscribed to my channel, who's been watching my videos. Thank you. If you want to be part of this crazy channel who has cats and makeup and all of this crazy nonsense I gotta like to go through, don't forget to subscribe button, and also don't hit the notification bell so you can be notified any new videos that I upload, because even though you're subscribed to my channel, you're not going to get the notification that I'm on, which upload a new video, which I don't understand why, but you know what, that's that. Just be part of the makeup family and just make sure you catch some videos. I try to upload every day, but yeah, what do happen this quarantine, I'm going crazy just a tiny bit, but I'm fine. Just hopefully my cat, you know, my poor Stella doesn't feel good lately these past couple of days, and I think this allergies and her sniffles and all of that, and I'm just worried about her. So y'all keep her in your thoughts and your prayers, whatever, and positive energy, whether you believe in or not. Please, 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 because Stella is like my baby, and yeah, I really don't want her to get any sicker than she is. So I'm doing my job, make sure she eats and have her water, but she isn't her little lovely self. But yeah, so hope to see you in my next video, guys. Bye.